Welcome to this episode of Say It with Scott, where we look at how the words we use affect the lives we live. I'm Scott Sery. I'm a copywriter, and I'm a lover of how we can take a word here and there, tweak it just a little bit, and dramatically change the message that we're sending. This episode is brought to you by Strategic Advisor Board and by my company, Sery Content Development. A few years ago, there was an influx of pages on websites that were the ultimate guide or the complete guide or the exhaustive guide to whatever it is they were talking about. If you're a marketing company, it was the complete guide to marketing your small business. If you're a construction company, it was the ultimate guide to understanding construction materials. They went on and on. These things were absolutely huge. Thousands upon thousands upon thousands of words on a single page. There's a good reason for them. Google loves that long form content, so people were trying to rank better on the search engines. The problem is, if I open up an ultimate guide to whatever and I see 10,000 words that I'm going to have to read my way through, I'm probably just going to go scroll. Oh yeah, no, nothing stood out. Instead, what you want to do is make that content and make that copy on your website so intriguing and so valuable that you don't need the ultimate guide, you need the condensed guide. You need the quick guide, the fast way to do whatever. Because nobody wants to sit and read through 10,000 words on the ultimate guide to marketing your business. They do want to read through the 8 fast ways to reach more clients. So instead of looking at how many words you can pack onto one page just to please those search engine gods, think about how many words you can take out of that to please the actual visitors to your website that are going to find value and ultimately they're going to hire you. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Say It with Scott. I hope you found something inspirational and educational you can take back to your business. As usual, if it didn't make sense or you don't have time to even write the condensed guide, hit the links in the description below, reach out, and I would be happy to help. Before you go, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so that you get notifications whenever Strategic Advisor Board posts great new content.